आपको स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस की तरफ ले जाएगा तो अपने को तो अच्छा लगने ही वाला नहीं है। वो बिल्कुल वैसा ही होगा। आई गिव यू अ लिटिल इंस्टेंट अबाउट दिस वन fellow garbage picker. He used to collect all the garbage from the various buildings and dump it at one place. And in this garbage house, there was a family of pigs living there. And every day this man would bring a whole lot of garbage and put over there. The great pig was very, very happy and thought this man was a very benevolent person who brings so much food for him and his family every day. And in the family there was one little pig also, tiny little baby pigs. They look very, very cute. They're all pinkish and all, no? And they look very cute. And one day this garbage man's son also came along. So he saw this little baby pig and was quite fascinated. And he said, Daddy, let's take this fellow home. It's such a nice, cute pet. And the man also didn't mind. He said, fine, take it. The mother, father pig were very happy that this son is so lucky. He's going to this man who is bringing so much food every day. My child is going to get lots of good food and live very happily and healthily. Fine. This little baby pig was taken home and given nice good bath, scrubbed and cleaned, and was kept in the house. Now what happened? It was given some good food to eat. Poor fellow started becoming thin and weak. No activity to do, no dirt to sprawl into. It would all the time want to run away into the gutter, and then this baby child would be very unhappy. It would try and bring it back, and the mother would try and clean it. Tell me, did this God of the pig really turn out to be God for the pig? The aim and purpose is different. We expect God to run our day-to-day mundane activities for us. Things that we may not be fully aware of. We don't fully know. It is lack of knowledge and understanding about this world, which is possible to know and understand. That's not what the purpose of God is. When we pray to God and we get His help is to direct us in the spiritual direction. That's not where we want to go. But we're still asking Him for help. If you ask for His help, He only knows this kind of help. अब सुअर का बच्चा यदि आदमी के घर पे जाके रहेगा तो उसे गंदगी कहां से मिलेगी? जो उसको चाहिए वो उसको आदमी के घर पे नहीं मिलेगा. You all must have heard that famous story of this I don't know, what is that story? Tell us. All the same, let us hear the fisherman's story. He could not sleep without the fish का smell. Yes, he thought बड़े महल में जाके अच्छे से सुख से सोएंगे, लेकिन वहाँ fish की smell नहीं थी. He could not sleep. Yes. What I'm trying to say is that we try to seek for those kind of things from God which He's not meant for. Yes, the pig cannot find happiness and joy in the man's house, even if that man is the one who's bringing you loads and loads of food every day. Right? By God's grace, we are very happy, wealthy and doing well in our life. Yes, we all say God's grace there. Alright, maybe. But if you are really ardent devotee of God, you will find that He creates more and more trouble for you. This is my experience. Yoga Sutra doesn't say this. This is my personal experience. Look at the Mahabharata. The greatest devotee of Krishna. How many troubles he had? Right? And Draupadi. Nothing but troubles in her life. Kunti, worst and worst, Kunti, right. Only troubles in life. Because she was a devotee. Why this? In fact, Kunti gives the answer to this also. Life of Kunti, an instant from a life of Kunti, is an answer to this also. Many of you will have read this, that after the Mahabharata, when Krishna was returning, he asked Kunti, let me grant you the boon that you want. What would you like? What would you ask for? Kunti asked for, give me dukkha. Now that's a very strange kind of thing to ask for. But that was a spiritual deity. Was one who is seeking spirituality. क्योंकि दुख में तुम बहुत याद आते हो. I think of you, Lord, the most in times of pain. So give me pain. That God can give you. Because that will refine you. That will make you purer. That will make you more aware of yourself and the true nature of the world around you. The purpose of life. It will help you progress. Yes, you are refining, constantly becoming closer to that real self beyond the body and the mind. Righteous. Yes, righteous. That is the word. Only then, and awareness of righteousness. This awareness is Ishvara. That is what is taking you closer towards your spiritual path. So Ishvara will lead you to that kind of a path and not कि भाई शेयर मार्केट में ये हो रहा है वो ईश्वर कुछ नहीं करेगा. In case there are any obstructions in the path of spiritual progress, this gets removed by being the model. That is Ishvara, who will remove the obstacles in your spiritual progress. If God was one who would take away all your pains and troubles, then all these great sages and saints would never have any problem.
You won't enjoy your life.
You won't enjoy your life. That's another secret. Very true. Isn't it? Yes. This is Sant Ramdas. Yeah. I remember this little instant reading in the life of Sant Ramdas. Swami Vivekananda's guru, Sant Ramdas. He died. Sorry? Sorry. Ramakrishna. Yeah, not Ramdas. Not Ramdas. I'm talking of Ramakrishna. Thank you for correction. I'm talking about Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna he died of cancer, right? And when he was so unwell, he was lying there sick, and of course he has lots and lots of his bhaktas around him to look after him, take care of him and all that. Now it so happened that two of these people were talking among themselves, who had come to see him, that भगवान भी कैसा क्रूर है, इतने अच्छे आदमी के साथ में ऐसा करता है, ऐसी खतरनाक बीमारी दी है इतने अच्छे आदमी को. And Ramakrishna heard it. He asked for those two men, called them near and said to them कि ये देखो ईश्वर की कितनी कृपा है मुझ पर कि उसने मेरे माथे पर ये नहीं लिखा कि ये किस कर्म का फल मुझे मिल रहा है, नहीं तो ये तुम लोग इतने सारे जो इकट्ठे हो रहे हो, मेरा ध्यान रख रहे हो, सब छोड़ छाड़ के चले गए होते. The whole idea is benevolence, but benevolence for the real path that we are here for. Our real aim and purpose in life is spiritual progress. And in that progress, if there is any obstacle, that will be removed by the blessings of Ishvara. Provided we are an ardent devotee, we are dedicated, there is sincerity towards our spiritual seeking, and we surrender the results of all our practices